Welcome to Digiparc, the smart solution that transforms fleet management into a true driver of performance. With its real-time dashboard, intelligent alerts, and flexible configuration, Digiparc helps you anticipate, optimize, and manage your operations on a daily basis. Whether you oversee just a few vehicles or a fleet spread across multiple sites, Digiparc enables you to save time, reduce costs, and make better decisions faster. In this video, we will explore together how to get the most out of your solution and boost the performance of your fleet. Digiparc is a 100% cloud-based ERP, which means you can access it anytime and from anywhere with just an internet connection. The platform supports multiple users, allowing several team members to work simultaneously, each with access rights tailored to their role. As soon as you log into Digiparc, you access the dashboard, the true control center for your fleet. It provides a clear, real-time overview of key indicators that help you manage your operations and costs effectively. The dashboard is fully configurable and adaptable to each client and business context. This means that a freight transport company can, for example, highlight fuel and maintenance, while a fast delivery company will focus on mileage and vehicle availability. Among these indicators, the total number of active vehicles to know the exact size of your fleet at any given time. The average fleet fuel consumption rate, a strategic indicator for measuring energy efficiency. The total distance traveled by the fleet, a crucial factor for monitoring wear and tear, maintenance, and budget forecasting. The average cost per kilometer, undoubtedly the most important indicator as it reveals the actual operating cost per kilometer. This indicator can be filtered by period, by subfleet, by vehicle category, or even by site, making it particularly useful for comparing performance across different divisions or subsidiaries. The Costs feature in Digiparc allows you to track and control all expenses of your fleet. The Digiparc Cost feature lets you monitor and control all your fleet expenses. It provides a clear, centralized view to analyze the TCO, total cost of ownership. Acquisition, administrative, salary, consumption, maintenance, and total. Fuel, a chart showing the monthly consumption and expenses trends. It allows you to easily spot patterns, such as a gradual increase at the beginning of the year, followed by a sharp drop starting in July. Maintenance, a chart displaying vehicle maintenance costs. Peaks and dips help identify periods when mechanical interventions were more significant. Thanks to this analysis, you can optimize your budget, reduce waste, and choose the best financing strategy for your fleet. Alerts and notifications. Digiparc's intelligent alert system is designed to anticipate and prevent breakdowns, oversights, and operational bottlenecks. Imagine a truck brought to a standstill due to a missed preventive maintenance task, or a vehicle held up during a roadside inspection due to an expired document. These unexpected events lead to financial losses, delivery delays, and damage to the company's reputation. Thanks to Digiparc's alerts, you can anticipate every deadline and take action on time. Administrative, registration cards, technical inspections, metrological logs, insurance, taxes, driving permits, etc. Technical alerts, mileage entry, broken down vehicles, and technical operations mileage. Tires, pneumatic sealing. Consumption, tank. Abnormal fuel consumption, AB normal AdBlue consumption. Card. Employees, permit validity, medical visit, employee training. Collaborator contracts, employee insurance, IDCard validity. Minimum cash balance, customer invoices, purchasing, supplier invoices, purchase orders. Stock shortages, internal purchase orders. Result: you save time, prevent losses, and enhance the safety and reliability of your fleet. These alerts allow you to anticipate issues, prevent oversights, and reduce the risk of downtime or penalties. Company settings. In the Settings menu, the company interface centralizes organization's essential information: company logo and stamp. Report footers to customize your printouts and invoices. Open the General Settings section. This is where you define the system's overall framework and the rules that apply across all modules. Available options: language, currency. Set the currency used in financial modules. Time zone. Define the time zone appropriate for your country or site. Date and time format. Customize the format according to your preferences. Registration number format. Choose the model to apply to all vehicles. These settings ensure data uniformity and consistency across reports and documents. Fleet configuration. This submodule allows you to customize vehicle management. Available options: vehicle QR code. Enable this option to automatically generate a unique QR code for each vehicle record. VAT rate. Set the applicable rate, SEF, for fleet-related services, for example, 10%. Transport settings. Used for managing transportation activities. Available options: trip rates by client or by destination. Rates for goods and subcontractors. Include or exclude the cost of goods in the total trip amount. Trip and invoice numbering method: simple number or number year. Automatic billing. Enable this option so that each new trip automatically generates its invoice. Transport. Used for transport-related operations. Available options: trip amount by client or destination. Rates for goods and subcontractors. Inclusion of goods amount in the total trip cost. Numbering method for trips and invoices: simple number or number year. Automatic invoicing. Enable this to generate an invoice automatically for each new trip. Optimizes the management of quotes, invoices, and transport missions. Purchasing configuration. Customization of the procurement process. Available options: approval of quotes by a designated collaborator. Duplication of maintenance purchase orders to the purchasing module, time saving. Approval of purchase requests by a manager before processing. Strengthens control and traceability throughout the purchasing process. Maintenance configuration. Optimization of maintenance processes. Available options: mandatory approval of quotes and work orders before execution. Automatic email notifications to the responsible person or technician upon creation of a service request. Alert thresholds. A key feature to anticipate and prevent unexpected events. Navigate to Configuration, Alert thresholds. Select the relevant module: Fleet, Leasing contracts, Administrative, Insurance, Thumbnail, Driving permit, Metrology notebook, Technical inspections. Technical, scheduled technical operations, oil changes, parts replacement enter the lead time 15 days before due date or 2,000 kilometers before an oil change. Stock, order form stock and stock correction. Staff, driver license validity, medical checkups, driver training. Impact. You receive timely notifications, reduce the risks of downtime or penalties, and improve planning. This configuration ensures a consistent visual identity across all your documents. The fleet configuration allows you to structure the fleet in a hierarchical tree format. It can be partitioned into subfleets and even sub-subfleets, by country, by region, by subsidiary, or by site. In a multi-site organization or a holding group, each local fleet manager can manage their own fleet, while at the headquarters or top management level, you benefit from a consolidated view of the entire fleet. This ensures both efficient decentralized management and strategic global oversight. Digiparc allows precise access management through users and groups. Each user has their own account and login credentials. You can create groups based on roles. Administrator group, full access to all modules. GPS group, restricted visibility to the geolocation module. Maintenance group, access limited only to the maintenance module. Permissions are configured to ensure secure access tailored to each collaborator's role. Operations log. The operations log records all actions performed within the system. You can see who did what and when. This feature is essential for traceability, security, and transparency. Dictionary. The Digiparc Dictionary offers unique flexibility. It allows you to customize the labels and terminology of system elements to match your company's business language. This makes the interface more intuitive and better aligned with the terminology and practices of each organization. Now, we will go over the modules, simply to get an overview of the modules available in Digiparc. Fleet covers the complete management of vehicles, replacement vehicles, vehicle equipment, and tractors, trailers. Each vehicle has a digital file containing all its data and documents. Staff centralizes information about employees, contracts, driver's license, salaries, absences, training, etc. It ensures regulatory compliance and optimizes the management of both driving and administrative staff. Assignments allows assigning vehicles, trailers, or equipment to drivers and missions. Each assignment is recorded to ensure clear traceability and accountability. Administrative groups all legal documents, registration cards, insurance, taxes, and technical inspections. It reduces the risk of oversight through centralized management and associated alerts. Fuel module manages fuel cards, tanks, refuels, and actual consumption per vehicle. It helps detect anomalies and optimize costs. Services and expenses centralizes additional expenses, washings, tolls, road expenses, general costs. It provides a clear view of the actual operating cost per vehicle or driver. Maintenance covers both corrective and preventive maintenance with internal or external repair management. It reduces downtime and extends the fleet's lifespan. Goods transport digitalizes the entire logistics cycle, transport orders, trips, and invoices. It ensures traceability, smooth operations, and regulatory compliance. Tourist transport designed for passenger transport, tourism, school, medical, shuttles, It includes planning, real-time tracking, and billing. Purchase requests, quote, purchase orders, deliveries, and supplier invoices, end quote. It strengthens control and traceability throughout the entire procurement process. Stock ensures multi-warehouse management of parts and items. It optimizes costs and guarantees complete traceability of movements. Sales covers the entire commercial cycle, quote, purchase orders, deliveries, and customer invoices. It centralizes and automates billing for greater speed and reliability. Finance provides a real-time financial cockpit, cash movements, invoices, customer payments, supplier payments, client installments. It facilitates quick decision-making with a consolidated view of financial flows. Mission organizes and tracks all internal and external missions. Each mission has a digital roadmap for complete operational monitoring. Tires tracks the complete life cycle of each tire, installation, usage, rotations, wear, and replacement. It optimizes tire lifespan and reduces tire-related costs. Over 100 reports, fleet, fuel consumption, costs, maintenance, etc. It helps managers steer their operations with reliable and consolidated data. Geolocation tracks vehicles in real time with automatic mileage updates. Ticketing manages the ticket sales cycle for passenger transportation, routes, luggage, revenues. It provides real-time monitoring of sales and line profitability. Rental manages short or long-term vehicle rentals, includes contract management, invoicing, and profitability monitoring. Digiparc is a comprehensive and intelligent solution for managing your fleet. Thanks to its cloud-based interface, customizable dashboards, and smart alerts, it centralizes all key data: vehicles, maintenance, fuel, finance, HR, and missions. It enables anticipation of unforeseen events, cost optimization, performance improvement, and enhanced safety. Adaptable to any organization, Digiparc combines operational management with strategic oversight, providing total control and fast decision-making.